All right, let's get this thing set up and get going on it. All right, here we go. All right, why are we doing this? Why are you watching this? Okay, we're doing this because you have enrolled in this class, Ergonomics and Human Factors, also known as Ergonomics or just simply Ergo. This is the specific orientation, which covers only things that apply to this specific class, Ergonomics. You should have already watched the video General Orientation Fall 2023. Be sure to watch both orientations. Don't call me about questions if you haven't watched both of them. Believe me, I'll know. The book is Occupational Ergonomics, A Practical Approach, Teresa Stack, Lee T. Osram, and Cheryl A. Wilhelmsen. It's a good book, and you will need it for this class. So what the heck is ergonomics? This is kind of an odd word, huh? Well, it's simply fitting the work to the worker. Sounds pretty simple, doesn't it? Okay, I'm Mr. Puel, your instructor. This is from the general orientation. You can find out more about me by watching my video, How I Became a Safety Professional and my OSHA experience. This video covers many on-the-job accidents I've seen and my encounters with OSHA. It's available in all classes, so if you viewed it once, you don't view it again, unless, of course, you enjoyed it so much. Be sure to view it at least once. There's a lot of good stuff in it. I don't have an office at Carl Albert, but I'm readily available by phone or text at 918-839-6990, a number you'll find all over the place, or email at rwpuhl@carlalbert.edu. I can come to the Poto campus to meet with you if we need to, or we can meet somewhere else if we need to meet. About this class, there's no specific OSHA regulation regarding ergonomics, but as you'll see later in this course, OSHA can and does issue ergonomic citations based on the general duty clause. But even more importantly, ergonomics is critical to worker safety. Why should we study ergonomics? Well, if we have people, and if those people move or don't move, either one can be an ergonomics issue. Also, you probably won't get this information in any other class. So it's really important. Ergonomics is really all around us. And you're going to, as you'll realize in this class, how it is. And so many things that we use are ergonomic and are designed ergonomically. Ergonomic issues are practically everywhere, including production, material handling, healthcare, and even offices. One of the problem with offices and basically data entry more so than just general office is that person is sitting in the same place all the time, doing the same thing all day long. And that's an ergonomic issue right then and there. So you learn ergonomic risk factors, what to look for when you're in a facility. We're going to cover basics in history, office ergonomics, ergonomic programs, biomechanics, psychophysics, hand tools, vibration, industrial workstation design, manual materials handling, work-related musculoskeletal disorders, ergonomic assessments, ergonomics in healthcare. So a lot of stuff we're going to cover in this course. This is a real good course with a lot of stuff in it. There's one issue with the book you need to be aware of. And when you get to chapter 14, on page 349, the section on Mill Standard 1472 begins. And then on pages 350, 51, 52, and 53, it continues, but beneath the continuation of the Rula and Reba, and it ends near the middle of page 55 is table 14.7. I know this is confusing. You have to look at the book. But for several pages, there are two items being discussed, Rula and Reba at the top portion of the page and Mill Standard 1472 at the bottom. So be aware of this when you're reading the chapter. It's odd because when you're reading it, you don't want to go from the top to the bottom like you would normally. You go to the top, and then you're going to go to the next page for the Rule and Reba, and at the bottom is Mill Standard. So it's a little bit confusing. I've communicated this to Mrs. Stack, and she said it's going to be corrected in an upcoming edition. So, but beware of it. This course follows the book pretty closely with many videos from the book's writer, Teresa Stack. These are very informative and essential to doing well in these classes. She has a lot more maybe experience even in doing this type of thing than I do, and a lot more things at her disposal, some resources that she can use. So she does these classes, these videos very well, and you need to watch them. So here you go. Read the book, view all the videos, and do a decent job on all the quizzes and assignments, and you'll probably do well in this class. Okay, skip the video, skim over the book, hurry to get assignments completed at the last minute, turn them in late, and you'll be in this class again next fall. And nothing personal, but I really don't want to have any of you in this class again next fall. I want you to do it right this time. Again, just because this is an online class, don't think it's going to be easy. There's a lot of stuff in this class and a lot of important stuff in this class, and it's going to be different. A lot of stuff different you're not going to see anywhere else, but a lot of stuff you're going to use. So that's it.